All right, we're back. Oh my God, I'm tired as hell, bro. But we're back. As you can see, we have persistent highs and lows marked out, and we have some levels we want to go towards. Uh, some levels we want to take out. Some like other draws we have like damn near equal lows right here. We have equal lows right here. I believe on the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute equal lows, and hourly low right here. Or I'm pretty sure that's a 4 hour. That's either 4 hour or 1 hour. Yeah, 4 hour low right there. Two 4 hour lows. And yeah, I know like that last video, like I was dumb impatient, and yeah. Also, bro, I don't know if you guys know how to. Well, I'm just gonna assume you guys don't like use Top Step or never used Top Step before. I did not trade with 20 actual NQ contracts. I don't know if you guys caught me saying like, "Oh, I'm a dickhead. I'm on micros." I traded with 20 micro contracts. Micro contracts are like way less than Top Step. Like I only trade micros when I'm on my XFA. Um, I I don't trade micros on the eval. Trading micros on the eval, that's it's not gonna get you anywhere. Um, so yeah, I usually trade two NQ contracts, not 20. 20 micros, 10 micro NQ contracts equal one regular NQ contract. I trade two regular NQ contracts on an eval, meaning I need to trade 20 micro NQ contracts. And plus, I would have just like if I didn't mark out everything, like look, for example, like it was nothing on my chart before yesterday. Well, oh shit, I cleared it. But I literally marked out literally everything on micro Nasdaq for some reason. Like, let me show you guys an example. So as you can see on regular ink, like on NQ right now, I marked everything out. Look at everything I have marked out right here. These fair value gaps on the 30 minute, these fair value gaps on the 15 minute. I gotta fix that. Like as you can see, look, I have all of this marked out. We just tapped into that 15 minute fair value gap. That's something that I'm looking for right now in order to go bearish. Looks like we're about to retest it too. Hold on. Because we already hit our key level. We already hit London. We already hit London high during pre-market. So just waiting for the reaction, honestly. I want to get a good entry. That could have been my entry off that 15 minute fair value gap. I'm gonna watch from the 15 minute because I know that stop is gonna be humongous. Oh, wait, that's the thing with trading like this. Even if it's up here, it's probably still gonna be like a super huge stop loss. We're gonna inverse this though. All right, just tap into that. But yeah, like I was saying, you see all the markups right here. Let's go over to micro Nasdaq because I cleared it. There's nothing here. So I did the opposite yesterday because I forgot to switch from micro to regular. So everybody in the comments talking about some, oh bro, you're going crazy, 20 contracts, this and that. It's bro, it's 20 micro contracts. It's the same thing as this. It's the same thing I trade with on every eval. I promise you, I'm not doing anything fucking crazy. Let's look for some. But let's see, bro. I know I was dumb impatient yesterday. The move I was trying to catch, it literally came like 12 minutes after I locked out. I honestly just did not feel like trading yesterday. If I'm keeping it a buck, bro. Like, um, yeah, I haven't been like very motivated to trade, um, as of lately. But that doesn't mean shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do it when you don't feel motivated. So yeah. But right now we're in equilibrium to sell right now. Like the 5 minute. Trying to see if we make some type of bearish SMT. Oh, we might be with these highs. No, we're not. I gotta find a way to like split my screen. Oh, wait, we may have one right here. 9:10 to 9:30. Let me check. Just remember the times. Um, what bearish SMT? Look, damn, we respected the hell out of that 15-minute fair value gap. I'm looking for shorts though. That's honestly what I'm looking for. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Um, we should have knew the daily was gonna be bullish. Like you could obviously just tell the daily was gonna be bullish just based off of like the positioning of it. Most of the time, when the day, if you just want a quick, easy daily bias, just go to the daily time frame and look at where this candle opens. 9 times out of 10, when this candle opens above the when the candle when the present day candle opens above the prior day candle, it's most likely gonna go up. Or if it opens down, it's most likely gonna go down. Like look, it opened down, it went down. There's very few where it opened up, it opened above and it went up. You know what I mean? Like even here, it opened slightly below, it went below. Not too much though. So that's just some quick game. Like right here, once again, this one is like a rare case, but it barely moved. But you can see what I'm saying. So I'm not really surprised we're getting longs. Um, but if there is no like, there's nothing to go towards, then I'm going to have to call it a day because I'm trading this. But we are in this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Let's just check. We're getting this. We're getting 1 minute movement. There is no news today, also, so keep that in mind. I want to get the entry off in this fair value gap. If we like pressure this fair value gap some more, like chop it up a little bit more in there, like get halfway, so my stop isn't super freaking like huge, I would be perfectly fine with that. We're already in equilibrium, and then I would just take profit to the bottom or the top of this fair value gap, because I know we're gonna go retest it again. I just needed to climb a little bit higher. Like I want to see it damn near get to like the wick. Mm. Go. If we inverse this fair value gap, it's going to be very interesting. I want to see it go a little higher. It's just, bro, it did not go that high. All right, there we go. This is just 30-minute consolidation right now. I don't want to enter right now and get chopped out because this is literally just like the chop. I want to get as close to my stop loss as I could possibly get. Make this like a very make the stop loss risk like super low. I probably could have just entered. Damn, I missed my entry. It'll be back. If not, we're straight. All right, we can find one on the 1 minute. We're still above equilibrium, so we're getting a good. You know what I'm saying? We're getting a good entry regardless. Never. I thought that was like fucking box. Two again. All right, there we go. That was our entry. We would have been all right if we got that entry up, but I was just trying to play it safe and get like a better, get a little closer to my stop loss, so I risked a little bit less. But it is what it is. Get the shit off my screen. All right. Yeah, this is. We're back in this fair value gap. So, like I said, I'm not really tweaking because we're back here. Fuck, what they got going on next door? Honestly, I could just go. I could go entry here, stops up here. That's gonna be a huge stop loss. Just wait, bro, because it's literally just chopping, bro. Like this is just all consolidation right now. What am I doing? What the fuck did I just do? Oh, I've never in my life done that before. Well, just look, just need a break out of here. So closure below here, that'll be super good because it'll be a slight closure. above equilibrium, and we'll have a break of structure on the 5 minute. Let's see. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get in. Or oh, that's not even a bad stop for real. Bro, why would I? Let me see. Reject the 5 minute. What are we doing? Yeah, this is literally straight 5 minute consolidation. This is why I watch trades from the 5 minute. Like real shit. Order yeah, filled. That's why I watch my trades from the 5 minute. So I'm gonna take one more. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Like I don't have shit to lose, bro. Like I don't. So I'm gonna take one more. Um, I don't think that was rushed at all. Like I felt like that was just pretty good. It's just right now it's just choppy right now, bro. So gotta be patient. I thought that would have been like what was the break, but like yo, like you see the bro, see the wicks on these, bro. So it's like super choppy right now. Like gonna get chopped out. I gotta make something shake on this trade though. This is gonna be the one though. This is gonna be the one. I'm not stressing it. We just respected this 5 minute fair value gap. I want to know how close are we to this 15 minute because that's where my trade is supposed to. My trade actually goes past that 15 minutes, so we have to converge that. Mm. If I was able to get my entry off up here, I, damn, bro, that was good. If I was able to get my entry off like right here and get my stop up there like I want it would have been straight. It would have been very straight. But it is what it is. I want to see something. All right, never mind. All right. It's like, cause what are we doing here, bro? Like, this is honestly all we're really just waiting on this 4 hour candle. It's really all we're doing. We're really just waiting on this 4 hour. So it's like make this white. Like confusion. We need a like I'm just waiting on a break of structure from either time frame. Like hope because if we get one on the 5 minute, that's gonna lead to one on the 15 minute. But I'm scared that okay, say we do go down to this 15 minute, we tap into this fair value gap. I'm scared we're going to inverse it. How much time is in this? 2 minutes. So like three more candles. Oh my god, bro. It's just hurting my fucking head, dude. Alright, honestly, in order to get this trade off how I want to get it off, I cannot, I can't, it's not that I can't place it on here, it's just I can't put I can't like take that stop loss. Cannot take that stop loss hit. So we gotta be very, very smooth. Like, we gotta be very, very patient. Bro, bro, I'm about to get off this shit today, bro. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. Like, price isn't doing anything. Let's just wait, like, I'm gonna give it till 10:15. Yeah. I'm gonna give it to like 10:15-ish, bro. If I'm still not getting anything, I'll just get off and take my loss for the day, honestly. Um, trying to see. There's a backup in here, so I might be able to get my original entry, which is what I want. But at the same time, it's like, okay, bro, we're retesting this shit again. Are we going to inverse it? And looks like that's what we're doing. Straight inverse. Wow. Honestly, I may be crazy for this, but I want to enter right now. But like, what transpired this, bro? That should have been my entry. Yeah, bro. Honestly, I'm just, bro. Like I don't want to sit here and wait. Um, Not like sit here and wait as like impatient or like you know what I'm saying, being impatient. I just don't want to like, you know what I mean. Like, I just don't really feel like being here doing this right now, bro. It's pretty much all. Yeah, that should have been my fucking entry too as well. It is what it is. We'll find a better one. Like, am I tripping or I could just bet the whole account right here. I mean, because I'm pretty confident in this move. I'm very confident in this move. It's pretty much the account right there. This is the trade I want to take. Put my stop where I wanted to put it. You guys see how big that shit is it? But it is what it is, bro. What's this RR? My bad. honestly, because of how choppy this is looking. I'm literally just gonna sell half of my position at London if at London high. If we even get to that point, 526 is when I buy, so I just sell half my position there. But we need to get a break of structure. Like I said, by 10:15, if this is like still in this area, like I'm just gonna close the trade no matter what. I'm not like trading price action days like this. And then there's news days, you know what I'm saying? But at least with hitting this right here, hitting hitting a London high, like taking profit there, I'll clear my loss on the day and I'll secure a win. But I want to at least get that. I want to like get that break of structure so like I know we're rumbling, so I could just de-risk, bring my stop all the way from up here to like to like break even. Uh, Pretty much it. Just watch this on the 5 minute, bro, because the 1 minute is like horrible for my mental, dude. I just want to see us hold this or like just continue like way lower. So like I know like okay, there's no point of it like you know what I'm saying. There's no chance of it doing that. But we got 2 minutes left. Like that's so it's two 1 minute candles. Hopefully those two 1 minute candles can make some shit shake. Because that's all we need. We just need this 5 minute break of structure, and then like everything else is Gucci. I wonder where this TP1. I wonder where TP1 is on the 15 minute. It's at the bottom of this fair value gap. Great. It's at the bottom of the fair value gap. All right. All right. Now we could de-risk. There we go.
Order
Take
filled.
profit one hit. Back up positive in the account. Not yet. Not just yet. Day is not done yet. We're gonna let this full trade cook now. Because we got the higher time frame breaker structure. Hopefully we hold this for the next minute. If we don't hold it, I'll close the full trade and just walk out. Got 40 something seconds left, bro. Please hold this shit. Reason we're most likely we may not hold it is because we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. So this is putting mad pressure on our trade right now, which is why this is like air range. But I like if this was like an XFA, I would just take the money and leave, even though it may not seem like it, right? But we're on the eval, so I'm trying to get off here as quick as I can. Like I'm not in a rush, but you know what I'm saying. We have a great setup. We have a great setup, a great trade. So I don't mind risking these extra earnings, trying to get more, especially like if I could just, like because if I close it right now, we're up 49. Okay, we're in a great spot, bro. We're in a great spot. I think we're gonna inverse this. All we have to do, just inverse it and continue lower. We're straight though. Just trust the process. I'm pretty sure the new 4 hours in our favor. So I'm not even I'm not even stressing it. This candle's going fucking crazy right now. Liquidity sweep. Alright.
Order
I took the
filled.
100. It is what it is. Probably still wouldn't have got stopped out at break even. Well, let me lock out before I do anything so I don't get tempted to take another trade. But I don't think we would have got. Well, we would have got stopped. Nah, we would not have gotten stopped out at break even. It would have just been one of those like nail biters. But it is what it is. I ain't really trying to sweat too much today. We caught a good move. We cleared our loss on the day. And we were up $100. We're up $100 now. This is the P&L tree. So we pretty much made back almost everything we lost yesterday. Um, not even. We made back everything we lost today. We made back a little bit of what we lost yesterday. So tomorrow we still got to come in and do what we got to do. Um, damn, bro. What happened on the woman? It probably got like a huge leg up. Yeah, it's probably gonna fall right now though. Yeah, it is. Is it? Yeah, it's gonna fall. Yeah, so we would have been good if we held it, honestly. But um, I'm just happy with what I could get, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that would have won it. Well, that's probably gonna stop it out at break even. But um, sorry for like the low energy. Like I said, bro. I kind of just haven't been wanting to trade. Like from being like I'm keeping it a buck. Like I just have not been wanting to trade. Where's the one? Yeah. So sorry for that. But I'm still here. I'm still doing it. I'm not gonna like quit or give up. Um, like I got into the XFA like multiple times, but I can't even count no more, bro. So um, like that's not what's like not like motivating me or making me not want to do it anymore. It's just more so the fact that well, I've been seeing a lot of results. I'm not gonna lie on my improvement on the XFA. So like usually whenever I get to the XFA, I'll just lose it in a couple of days. But like these last three accounts, and I wouldn't have no winning days. Like these last three accounts, like the first one I ever got on YouTube, like as you guys seen, like the first XFA I ever had, and then the second one I ever had on YouTube, and the third one, like those three were like my best ones. Like I actually performed on those. I actually had winning days. I actually took winning trades and stuff like that. So I won't say yeah, stop that break even. I won't say like it's because I like revenge trading. I lost my account. I won't say that. It's just more so of like a I don't know. I just keep disappointing myself. That's pretty much it. Like I got in a payout once. I know I could do it again. I know I'm going to do it again. It's just like I just still. It's just like every time I fail, I make these minor mistakes every single time. I mean, like the second time when I did lose my account, I can't even really tell you like what it was. I know it was a mix of me being impatient and probably risking way too much. Like the first day, I'm pretty sure I lost like 800 on micros. That's ridiculous. Um, that's damn near a day. I might as well just trade it two in the queue. But yeah. So that was just pretty much it. And I went through a slump actually, but it's not no slump or anything like that. Now it's just like It's just my patience. It's just my mental, bro. I'm just tired of my mental like fucking up everything. So I've just been trying to get that right. So I just really haven't even been in the mood to trade for real, for real. But like I said, bro, it is what it is. We had a good day today, even though we didn't make anything, but we still made. But this is what we had to trade with. Well, this is only 1 minute. Let's go to the top. But this is what This is what we had to trade. So we made something shake out of this at least. Um, yeah. So yeah, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching, supporting. Keep liking and commenting. Thank you guys for commenting, leaving your feedback and stuff like that. I love that you guys are like giving me criticism and like giving me advice and not trying to tell me how to trade, because it pisses me off when someone tries to tell me how to trade. Like it just makes me very mad. Um, for example, well, I don't want to talk about this fucking guy, bro. But for example, like in the Discord, there's some guy trying to tell me how to trade. Like what I mean by tell me how to trade is like tell me how to use, like basically trying to make me use his strategy, make me trade his way, stuff like that. And it was getting me like really like riled up because like, bro, you've been trading for 5 years and you still have not passed the combine. So not trying to be cocky or anything, but it's like I've been trading for 4 months. So like all these mistakes that I'm making, like I fully expect to make them. Like I'm not, bro. Like I had to learn that shit the hard way when I first started trading, bro. That like shit was not like gonna be like some Disney Channel story, and I wasn't the chosen one or some shit. But yeah, bro. Thank you guys for giving me advice and not trying to tell me how to trade, and all that shit like that. Um, you guys are right in the comments, by the way, as well. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna go back to sleep because I'm tired. Have a great day. Thank you guys for enjoying. Thank you guys for supporting once again. And yeah, man. Um, peace out.